A lot of business owners chase growth, but there's no solid financial foundation. So you end up with cash flow issues, pricing mistakes, and sadly, in some cases, closure. And what I want to make sure that we're all in understanding about is that scaling isn't just about doing more. You want to do what you can in a way that is sustainable. And along the way, you've got to be making informed financial decisions. So, the key question that we want to talk about and answer today is, are your financials set up to support your growth, or are you just hoping that it works out? Let's dig into the details. All right. So before you grow, you really need to know where you stand financially. And I'm thinking about four metrics that really provide clarity on where you should focus. First one, revenue, what money comes in. So the first thing you need to know is what's working. What are your most profitable services and clients? Not just who pays you the most, but after you account for the expenses or cost of those sales, where are your highest profit margins? Do you have services that people aren't signing up for? Do you have services that are making you a lot of money, but then you've got to spend a lot in order to deliver on those? If that's what's happening, it may be time to reassess so that you can see if you're missing the mark on what your ideal customer needs. Also, look at your trends. Are you growing steadily or is revenue unpredictable? And inconsistent doesn't mean unpredictable. You may always know that, like, the top of the year and Q4 are your big seasons, and spring and summer are going to be a little low. If that's a consistent trend, that's not really unpredictable, right? Like, you know when money is going to come in, you know when your highs, your peaks, and your valleys are going to happen. And so, really, you can then use that information to make sure that your revenue sources align with your long term business model, whether that's the time that you're spending, the team that you're building, or the services that you continue or discontinue.